What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushies, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to another fire jump rope tutorial, peeps, where today I'm going to be showing you 8 variations, maybe 9, I haven't really counted it properly, but probably about 8 variations of the southpaw move or skill, however you want to call it. If you're not sure what this move currently looks like, we're going to show you this in 3, 2, 1. Let's roll this.
I'm in the 7, I'm gonna act up. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up.
Welcome back, peeps. So of course that is a fire move, one that I've shown like kind of countless tutorials on before, but I'm going to show you all the variations to this move in today's video, so make sure you stick around right to the end. And if you're new to Rush Athletics TV, be sure to smash the subscribe button. We're the hottest fitness community growing across the world today, and we're backed up by the most in-demand speed rope on the planet. This is of course the RA speed rope, also known as the money rope, guys. Use YouTube 10 to get 10% discount, and we've also got some flight apparel for you as well, all on sale. So get online and get copying right away. Right, so I'm going to start this tutorial with the kind of most basic form of the southpaw move, and we're going to ramp it up to kind of the most difficult, obviously the most advanced ones. So try and keep up with me, and if not, just watch this video playback. We've got extra slow motion for you today as requested by all of you, and it's going to take time, it's going to take patience. Just remember that this did not come overnight for myself. Give yourself a couple of days, couple of weeks even, to make sure you get this done correctly. So let's get straight into this video, peeps. Right folks, so we got the 2 cameras set up here. What I'm going to be showing you is the first version of the southpaw move. Now I've got, again, tutorials on this one move, but I'm going to show it very quickly in today's video, and we're going to move on up through the gears, okay? So the first basic form of this move is a basic bounce, like so. What you really want to be focusing on, peeps, is keeping these hands really locked in beside your body. You don't want to kind of be flailing out here and out here, all right? Now, I don't want to make this tutorial too technical, but check my footwork here now. There's a little mini bounce in between each side swing open. So you side swing open from your left, then to your right. The wrists turn over, hands stay separated so the rope doesn't get caught up. That's the first variation, very basic, and just make sure again that you keep your footwork nice and clean. Small bounces, you don't want to be flexing your knees like this all over the place, nice and neat, all right? That's the most basic form of this move. Right, so the second version of the move is now we're going to kind of spice up the footwork a little bit. We're going to add a boxer step. So all in the feet here. This is your boxer step. I want you to focus on staying on the balls of your feet as always. You're transferring the weight left and right. And we just go hit, boom, 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 boom. So the keys was just sort of jumping, tiny bit lateral. You don't want to feel like you're kind of upright like this. All right, if you're watching from the front camera here I'm not really moving any balance, any weight shift. Now we go and change the weight shift here. So you can see me sort of using a little bit more of the mat rather than just staying upright like this and looking awkward. Chest over the rope, looking down, getting your timing right. And that's that, boxer step, southpaw, number 2. So the third one, surprise, surprise, is another footwork variation. Very difficult though, it looks easy. Basically you're gonna do a toe kick out as you do this move. So it's 2 jumps on each foot. I'm gonna try and slow it down. Here, here. So when you open from your left-hand side, the right foot comes out. And when you open from your right, the left foot comes out. There you go. You wanna be touching the heel in front of you on the floor, just for better aesthetics. You don't wanna be keeping the foot in the air. That's super awkward. Really nice light touch in front of you. You really just wanna focus on getting those toes facing out a little bit higher, and then that's your toe kickouts. That's variation number 3. Variation number 4, peeps, the running southpaw. One of my favorite moves. Looks like this. Key here is getting the footwork on time as when you open this rope out. And drive your knees forward, up, and you just want to feel like you're just running on the spot. Okay. Here it is, me sort of slowing it down. There's 2 steps really in between the moment you go to the side and open the rope. 2, 1, 2, 2. So try it slow and then go faster. Variation number 5, getting super tired now, is with a high knee. Super difficult in terms of coordination, but similar to your toe kickouts, we're just gonna raise the opposite knee to where you open the rope out from. So open from the right, left knee comes out. Open from the left, right knee comes out. We wanna make sure again that when the rope passes underneath us, we're just jumping milliseconds before it comes around. To basically help us get this to look super slick, you wanna get that whip as you open the rope out to allow the rope to travel underneath you at speed, and make sure you don't need to jump too high. The key here, peeps, is you don't wanna be throwing the rope. You finish the side swing, you don't wanna be throwing it from here. You're gonna lose energy, you're gonna lose revolution speed. You wanna slowly bring your hand around, then you whip. That's the timing, then you whip right at the end. So last show of it, quickly. Listen out for the sound of the whip. Variation number 6. This is surely gonna kill me off, but we're gonna carry on. Double under side swing, all right? Again, loads of tutorials on this. Very simply, you start here, you increase the height of your jumps, and we're just aiming. We're aiming to take off as soon as the rope comes to the side, hits the floor. We're now in midair. Before we land, we've opened the rope out and jump through. So I'm gonna try and show you that again. Jump, open, jump, open. Listen out for the sound of the rope hitting the floor. That's key. As soon as it hits the floor, I'm taking off. This one takes a lot of time, a lot of practice, peeps. You just gotta get it with timing. Try and start sometimes even with a double under. If you can do double unders, start with the double, and then just try and go into the move. And then that's the way you're gonna kind of learn the timing of your jumps and swings. Right, number 7, peeps. Side swing cross with the southpaw, right? So it looks something like this. Double under south, or double under side swing cross, southpaw, here. Does look a little bit easier than it probably is, as most things are skipping, but you're gonna try and learn how to do a side swing cross with a double, which basically looks like this. So you got your doubles. You go first into a side swing cross, then you hit the southpaw. All you need to remember is if you side swing cross from your left hand's on top, right? You're now in the air. All you need to do now, come to your right hand side, left hand still stays on top, you southpaw open, right? So here we go, boom, boom. Then you can do it from both sides. And make it look nice and effortless. Last one, peeps, number 8. Hopefully you're still keeping up with this, because I'm dying right now. So anyway, all right, one-sided southpaws now. You can do this with all the variations I've just shown you. So 1, 2, 1, 2. You can even do it with a run. 1, 2, 1, 2. This just particularly looks nice because it shows you've got masterful control with the rope. So all you can do is just focus on smashing out those southpaws from one side only. Pick your stronger side first. I like my left hand side, so right hand stays on top. And you just have to make sure the rope's always separated, keeping that right hand over the left, turning the wrist, whipping it open. Make it look slick, effortless, all those kind of cool, fun stuff. 1, 2, 1, 2, come out of it. 1, 2. And then you can practice on both sides, get nice and slick with it, ambidextrous, all that kind of fun stuff. And there you have it, peeps. That is number 8. Hopefully you're able to, understand most of those moves. Quick, short, sharp tutorial today. Hopefully you'll get more out of probably watching it on the slow motions than probably me talking about it. But replay this video, go through it step by step. Comment down below, let me know which ones you might be struggling with, which ones are your favorite, and let me know, of course, what video you want to see going forward. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Check us on my website. Big sale going on for all apparel. Grab this bad boy, man. No introduction necessary. Hands down, best speed rope you're gonna find. Right, so guys, as always, love you loads. Gonna see you in that next video. So without further ado, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Well, Put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.